Good morning, everybody. It is gorgeous out this morning. Nice and comfortable. Temps around 50 degrees. Portland's 53. Bangor's 50. There are some cooler spots, but they will be erased real quickly. We've got a lot of sunshine in today's forecast. Very warm, bordering on hot temperatures, too. It'll be dry out there as well today and most of tomorrow. I can't rule out an isolated storm that pops in this heat and humidity tomorrow afternoon. And then we've got these fronts for the weekend, which offer up some rain chances, but not until later in the day on Saturday. Clear, dry, really, really comfortable. Temps rise quickly. These are your 9 a.m. temperatures, right around 75. Midday, we're climbing into the 80s. It will be feeling hot if you're in the sun and working outdoors. You're probably going to need to take some shade breaks today. Even though there aren't any humidity issues, the wind will not be moving much all the way up through about 1 o'clock. And then we get a sea breeze, and it's probably stronger than yesterday's. So that'll drop temperatures from 80s into the 70s for the coast and from near 90 degrees over the interior to about 80 at the end of the day. I also expect some wispy clouds at sunset, which should give us some great color. And sunset's after 8 o'clock, so you got a lot of time after you get home from work to have some fun this evening. Southwest wind today, 10 to 20 miles per hour, normal high 70. Only places that stay in the 70s will be the mid-coast and down east areas because of that south-southwest wind. 78 in Rockland, 76 in Bar Harbor. 85 to 90 over the interior, like Freiburg's probably hitting it. Wouldn't be surprised if someone in the Central Highlands hits 90 degrees. Maybe it's Holton, maybe it's Millinocket. 84 for Portland, 88 in Augusta, and for Lewiston, Auburn, which is going to put us really close to some records this afternoon. The records today are actually attainable. Even though it's June, you kind of expect records to be above 90 degrees. Not today. Portland's record is 86, set back in 1965. We also have the 60s there for 89 degrees in Bangor, and 88 degrees is the record high in Augusta, and I think we'll probably tie it and come really close in other communities too. Tomorrow also a hot one with this front close. There could be a pop-up storm in northern Maine tomorrow afternoon, and then we all have a chance for a shower or thunderstorm Saturday afternoon through about midday on Sunday. And then finally after that, this high will be able to build in. But this is going to be a slow system departing us. We get back to and resume some really nice weather early next week with temps climbing from 70 up into the 80s again. So here's how I see the weekend rain chances right now. They will be rising quite a bit Saturday afternoon, and pretty good bet you'll see some drops or maybe some rumbles around in the evening. And then Sunday morning through midday and maybe up until like 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, there still could be some showers, especially for far southern Maine. And then it's better in the afternoon, although we won't clear much, and it's going to stay on the cool side in the 60s. 1 to 3 footers on the water. Right now it's glass. This afternoon when that sea breeze kicks up, it'll get a little choppy if you're planning to be on the water today. Sunny and hot, 85 to 90. Mid-80s tomorrow, staying very, very warm with a mix of sun and clouds. Saturday morning looks great and pretty warm, getting close to 80 degrees, and then the clouds roll in, and so do some scattered showers and rumbles. Sunday morning looks damp with scattered showers. They'll linger through the middle of the day. It turns a little better in the afternoon, but stays cool in the 60s. And then more awesome stuff for several days early next week there, Monday through Wednesday. And it gets hot again middle of next week, back above 80 degrees.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. Looks really good overall.
Going to enjoy it.